bonjour man. By the river, hello culture. By the river, I know your pain. Are you waiting for your space rider? Your space rider. Sexy things to do by the river. Today is not your day. By the river, I live on my own. I'm waiting for your space rider. Your space rider. If I were you, I would go for a ride. If I were cool, I would be like you. If I were you, I would wait for your space rider. Your space rider. Yesterday I felt like a monkey on a plane. You will never be the same. He will never be your man. Your prince is not so blue. He never tells the truth. He's like a princess. By the river,